consult?
No, you may not speak. You have a legal representative. The papers are just not ripe.
That point is accepted.
Precisely. Now, if that point is accepted, I expect you then to sit down. And yes, then the matter is over. You took an instruction from your client. Is it relevant? Do you want to ventilate that instruction or not?
Yes, my lord, his concern obviously is the concern that I'm trying to place here. So, and it stems from the comments that if your lordship had said that this application is not right.
I've said that from the beginning, Mr. Moelo.
It was preceded by expert comments, my lord. The record will show that that was not the only. It was preceded by even commenting on.
Mr. Moelo, I have said that. You either now deal with the instruction from your client, or you will file your replying affidavit, and this matter will be dealt with in terms of the rules of this court. A judge will be assigned to listen to your argument.
Yes, that it will be ventilated in that.
In that, yes.
There's no need to proceed with
Precisely.
engagement.
Precisely. No need at all. Yes, the criminal matter has already been postponed to the 10th of February 2025. The accused will be brought to court on that day. Court adjourns.